Now here's a Predicta in excellent to excellent plus condition. Receives stations loudly and clearly across the dial.
Like this whole show electronics, like people are just, you know.
No hum. These knobs are turning on a flat plane. Some of them, some other examples I've seen, the knobs are kind of wobbly.
Through with his right.
All the stations come in loud and clear.
I think they're. One. Pass. But seriously, let's get you back on Monday.
So some other examples of why this particular unit is in excellent to excellent plus condition, right? There are no cracks on the bottom base. There are no cracks found on the top clock area or underneath where the base connects to the clock assembly. There is a hairline crack here, but relative to the other examples I've seen, it's not chipped off and then re-glued. The crack is just a hairline crack. It's not chipped off. So that makes it a crack, but not as bad as I've seen in other examples. I've yet to see a single Predicta without either a chip or a crack here. So this metal part of the clock assembly is held on by the back plastic. I've seen examples where it is glued on because, like I said before, they almost all chip or crack off here, and then as a result, you have to glue on this entire front metal assembly. This one is not. It's still held in place, which makes this a better example than others I've found. The other example of why this is in excellent to excellent plus condition, this Philco nameplate has not come separated over the years and then re-glued, right? It is intact. You can tell because there's no waviness. So these Predictas take a long time to turn off. I'll show you. The light works right here. Now when I press this button, the light will go off and then the radio will take some time to turn off. See, it's still playing, but the light is off. And the next thing I'm going to demonstrate is the alarm. The alarm function working. All right, so now it's turned off. Okay, and I will advance the time forward. It's set to 5 o'clock. So let's advance the time. And, okay, press the alarm. And at 5 o'clock, you'll hear a click. And then 15 minutes after that, you hear the buzzer. See, there's the click. Now, the radio is warming up and then turning on.
Play 77.
Okay, and then if I advance 15 minutes forward, it'll start buzzing. See, all that is normal operation. Now I turn off. Again, it takes time for it to cool down and then actually turn off. But the light is off. It just takes some time, which is a symptom of all Philcos of this design. And now there's the sleep timer function. This turns on after 15. See, it turns on, but you can't tell what the timer setting is. This is 15 minutes setting. This is 30 minute setting. This is 45 minute setting. And this is either the hour setting or it turns it off. Let's see. Okay, that's the hour setting. And then you turn it off. There it is. 4 clicks and it turns off. That's how you know what the timer setting is. There's no indication in this design how many minutes you're setting the timer setting to. It's just the way it was designed. 15, 30, 45, 1 hour, and then off. See the light go off. There it is. It's exactly how it should work. Right? All these original buttons, they don't pop off. The clock face, not cracked.